So you're all up to speed with merging documents because we did that last time. But what about splitting them? Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to split a document in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Under the Documents menu, you'll find Split. This function has two options, Split at Selection and with Selection as Title. The first one is clear enough. Click where you want to split the text and select Split at Selection. You will then get two documents, one after the other, in your binder. Scrivener will name the second one the same as the original document with a number attached, which is easily changed if you want. But what about that second option? If you want to use this option, you will need to highlight the text where you want to split the document. So if you do have a title within the text, this would be the perfect option for you. There you go, no excuses for not breaking up your scenes because they're already typed up. If you missed that merge video, you can see it here. Thanks for watching, and if you subscribed, I'll see you again next time.